Don't say half blind. कि आँख बंद कर.
Is that possible that he only reads 3 lines for me?
Good idea. I can think about this.
I decide what I'll read.
Not like that.
You read this. Do you have the book?
You
Usually
have to
ऐसा
answer according to the book.
And him.
Okay guys, thank you for coming to Booklet House. तो ट्रेडिशनल बुक्स में क्या होता है, इट्स बोरिंग, अकेले पढ़ना बोर होता है थैंक्स टू इंस्टाग्राम, नेटफ्लिक्स. सो आई हैव कन्वर्टेड दीज सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स इनटू Twitter friendly messages or WhatsApp friendly messages. Yeah, so that because you have got used to these short messages because of the content, and these books can't be read alone. You have to have 3-4 friends. उसको मैंने नाम दिया Z books, Gen Z friendly books. Okay, Z books. Z मतलब Z को अमेरिका में Z बोलते, तो Z books मत बोलो, वो गाली साउंड करेगा. तो Z books. Okay, so I'll just introduce you to the rules. Dice है यहाँ पे, die है, board है, छोटा सा board है. There will be a notepad. And there are 2 decks of cards. One is concept card, जहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि 6 concepts है. And by the way, the book on which the Z book is made is Personal MBA. Personal MBA is like literally it stands its name. ये book पढ़ने के बाद you become an MBA. You don't have to pay lakhs of rupees for an MBA college. And these are question answer cards. This is another deck. Okay, I'll explain. हम इसको shuffle कर सकते हैं, इसको shuffle नहीं करना है. This will always be in a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 big concepts that I have extracted from the book Personal MBA. Okay. Now, if you see, if I fetch a random card from this Q&A card, you can see this question and there are 4 options. A, B, C, D. मैंने options लिखे नहीं हैं, मैंने हाथ से बनाए हैं, बाद में print होगा. A, B, C, D, it goes anti-clock. Okay. Now, after reading the question, if you think you are confident enough to answer, you say blind. Blind मतलब you don't need to read the concept. Can you see this number 5? This is not a question number. This is the concept number on which the question is based. So suppose Jagjit thinks, I'm not familiar with this concept. I don't understand this question. I want to read. So we'll say I want to read. But Gauri says, no, I want to go blind. She's confident. Or overconfident. जो भी बातें पता चलेगा. Now the beauty of this card is there can be multiple right answers. And this is the game changer. You can, so suppose A और B पे लगाया जगजीत ने और गौरी ने लगाया A, B, C. And all are right, ABC all are right, but Gauri is more right. This more right concept is very unique. कोई भी trivia KBC में ऐसा नहीं है more right. It's either right or wrong. But she's more right than you, so she'll get extra rewards for it. Okay. Having said that, can you see this board? The board ऐसे लगता नहीं है, पर board है. Assume करो. Now we have allotted the colors. So you are blue, you are red, and you are yellow. Okay. Now अपने pawns यहाँ पे रखो. This is the starting point. This is round 1. Now, यहाँ पे points है. So जैसे आगे जाओगे, आपको points मिलेंगे. And as I said, more right जो है ना, going back to the same example, where you bet on AB, she bet on ABC. So she has got 2 extra right answers. You got 1 extra right answer. So for every extra right answer, you get 100 points separately in the notepad. Okay. So I have written your names, Jagjit, Gauri, and Soloni. So for every extra right answer, 100 points. So 2 extra right answers, 200 points. 1 extra right answer, 100 points. And ये points तो चालू रहेगा. That we'll write at the end of the round.
Yes.
इसको हमको calculate नहीं करना, इसको यहाँ पे लिखना है. And at the end we will merge it. We'll amalgamate both the points. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now can you see this special dice? There are no traditional dots here. 2/5. Suppose ये गिरा. इसका मतलब क्या है? Person who goes blind, उसको ये pass लागू होगा because he is taking the risk. So if he goes right, he will go 5 steps ahead. Okay. And person who reads the concept, उसको ये 2 लागू होगा. So smaller the number, जो small है वो उसको लागू होगा, and he'll go, if he goes right, he'll go 2 steps. Got it?
And what is this like ABC?
हाँ, good question. So ये जो tokens है ना, so you have to answer. तो आपको क्या करना है? A, B, C, D. आपको लग रहा है AB. So you hide the right answers beneath your right hand. Don't show it. Or wrong answer left hand. Because everybody at once will reveal the answers. नहीं तो एक दूसरे को copy करेंगे ना. Nobody should know कौन सा कौन कर रहा है. तो हाँ, suppose just do the gesture. Suppose यहाँ पे ये right है, फिर ये आगे सब लोग अपना right hand बढ़ाएंगे आगे. So यहाँ पे die कौन फेंकता है doesn't matter because everybody is going to answer the question.
Right.
So it's not कि ऐसा है clockwise, anti-clockwise, doesn't matter. Once we are done with that question card will go out of the game and that concept card will go back into the deck. Because multiple questions will be based on the same concept. एक बार कंसेप्ट हो गया और आपने पढ़ा तो नेक्स्ट टाइम यू कैन कॉन्फिडेंटली से आई वांट टू गो ब्लाइंड बिकॉज यू हैव रेड द concept in the previous round.
Right.
So see, I'm making you remember the concept. You're actually reading.
But what if I go blind and she wants to read the concept?
हाँ, so जो blind जा रहा है ना, very good question. You'll keep the answers ready, right? And then the concept will be revealed, but she can't change the answer after the concept is revealed because she is going blind.
Okay. So
it?
everyone will know the concept irrespective of their.
Yeah, that's because the objective is to make India read.
Yeah.
Let's play. I'll clarify. Okay, so 1/2. Can you see 1/2?
Yeah.
Which means person who goes blind, उसको 2 लागू होगा, जो read करेगा उसको 1. Now let us. I'm randomly picking up a question card. Now this is not a question number. This is a concept number. I'll read out for you. What is essential for a business to continue operating? So ideally, ये कार्ड को टेबल पे रखना है क्योंकि उसके पीछे आंसर्स है. तो ऐसा करके मत पढ़ो. Alright. What is essential for a business to continue operating? A. Think that this is A. Strong marketing. Sufficient revenue, innovative products, high customer satisfaction. You can take your time, read as many times you want in your mind. You can move the card, but don't flip it. And tell me, blind or you want to read? Blind? Okay, Jagjit is going
I'll take
to
over
go.
that.
So keep your answers ready and hide. So suppose you bet on ABC. Even if one answer is wrong or considered wrong, you get nothing. You don't move. You don't get the extra right answer का points. कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा.
Even if one is wrong.
या ए बी सी में अगर बी रॉन्ग है तो तुम्हारे लिए ए भी गलत सी भी गलत सब गलत. चलो देखते हैं.
Reveal.
हाँ कार्ड ओपन ना, जस्ट फ्लिप देम. ओके, जगजीत इज प्लेसिंग ऑन ए बी एंड डी. गौरी डी एंड सी. सलोनी सी एंड ए. सबने सब पे लगाया.
Let's
Kind of.
पूरा डेकोरेट कर दिया. ये डेकोरेशन कंपटीशन नहीं है, आंसर देना है राइट. सो अभी somebody is going to go wrong for sure,
Right.
right? क्योंकि ऐसा सिचुएशन नहीं है, कभी नहीं होगा कि चारों राइट है या चारों रॉन्ग है.
Sure.
There can be 2 right,
Three
2
rights.
wrong, 1 wrong, 3 right, 3 wrong, 1 right, but चारों wrong, चारों right नहीं होगा. Got it? Now इसके पीछे आंसर है. Let's reveal.
Oh my god, only one, right?
So the only right answer is sufficient revenue.
Actually,
बहुत
it makes
पैसा है तो
sense.
हाँ.
वही है.
So the question card goes out of the game.
He'll just put no.
Yeah.
Now
This is something different. Can you see a plus sign here?
Yes.
So 1/2 का तो आपको मीनिंग पता है. Plus means for every extra right answer you get double the points. 100 का
2 है.
200 है. So there are 2 extra right answers तो 400 मिलेगा. Got it? And interestingly, जरूरी कि जो बोर्ड में आ गए ना वही जीतेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी पॉइंट चल रहे हैं. So बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि जो वहां पे पहुंचा लेकिन जीता कोई और और दोनों का ऐड ऑन हो रहा है. It's very
There's an
interesting.
extra bonus.
Yeah, I wanted that. Can you see it's red in color? That means गलत आंसर पे लगाने. That means you need to know the right answer. उसको उल्टा करो बस. इसमें भी आ रहे तो कुछ extra right answer दे दो. Try to play a little aggressive now.
Maybe if,
New rule.
okay.
If you go wrong and you were blind, minus the points. So you go back also. अभी ये backward journey भी होगा इसमें. पहले कैसा था? If you go blind and you go wrong, you stay there only. अभी पीछे भी जाओगे आप.
So that people won't randomly risk.
हाँ. और कुत्ता कितना पीछे जाओगे जो बड़ा नंबर है वो.
If
So-
you are blind, na?
Hmm.
And if I read and if I'm wrong,
You stay there only. Or change new concept. Throw the die. 2 and 5. Wow.
perfect.
Chance to win, huh? Saloni.
Yes.
Who is yellow? You are yellow.
Yeah.
आप भी 1 2 3 4 5. तो
Oh.
ऐसा सोचते हैं
Actually,
आपको.
everyone can win.
You can strategize now. Okay, I'll read for you. Which factor or factors these or are essential for a business to succeed? Sorry. Okay, हिल गया. Attracting attention, ignoring customer needs, delivering what is promised or typo है, generating profit. Blind. No rethink. Blind. चलो. Move your hands. C A D उल्टा करना. D A. Okay? Everybody was blind. So Jagjit, everybody will go 5 steps.
So I
1, 2,
directly
3.
enter round 3 because
No,
1, 2.
You stop here.
No, why?
And अरे
I
because
don't
it's a
want
trick.
to.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है.
I want to enter round
1
3.
2 3, 4, 5. So all are at the end of the round 2. And extra right answer किसके किसके हैं?
Both of them.
Yeah. So Jagjit will get 100 more and Gauri will get.
एक मिनट मेरा 2 राइट आंसर्स
Yeah, but
so
one
one
extra right answer.
One is
Extra
right is right,
तो
and
उसने
the
भी दिया
extra
ना?
right is extra right.
उसको क्यों नहीं बोला? Got it? This is end of round 2. सबको 908 मिलेगा.
Will you cash it?
And then we will take the total 1000 and 1500 for Jagjit, 1300 is Gauri, and this is 1600, and the winner is
Thank
Saloni. Second comes Jagjit. There is no third position.
थर्ड वन गेट्स मनी
Okay, thank you so much for reading this Z-book with all of us. Thank you Jagjit, Gauri, Saloni. Thank you so much. Happy reading. Bye bye.